summer na naman. Experience the raw beauty and charm of Kalanggaman Island with me. Sa episode na to, I'm gonna show you bakit nga ba ang Kalanggaman is always on top of the list as one of the most beautiful islands in the Philippines. Kalanggaman Island is a small, uninhabited island located in the municipality of Palumpon sa northwest portion ng probinsya ng Leyte. Ibig sabihin po ng uninhabited ay walang nakatira sa islang ito. The easiest way to reach Palumpon is by flying directly from Manila to Tacloban, ang capital city ng Leyte, at sumakay ka ng UV Express for 2 hours from Tacloban to Palumpon. Pwede ka ring mag-via Cebu City. Sumakay ka ng fast craft from Cebu to Ormoc or from Cebu to Palumpon. In my case, sumakay ako ng UV Express for 1 hour and 20 minutes from Ormoc to Palumpon. 150 pesos ang pamasahe. It's currently 6 o'clock in the morning and today is a Wednesday. Behind me is the Palumpon Leyte Tourism Office and this is the jump-off point papuntang Kalanggaman Island. At the moment guys, 4 pa lang kami in our group and may 2 hindi natin kasama. So 6 pa lang kami and wala pang payment at the moment kasi parang hihintayin pa yung total number sa manifesto and then we will divide accordingly. I heard na 4,500 pesos yung boat papuntang island and the travel time from mainland Palumpon to the island is around an hour. 300 pesos yung entrance fee sa island for non-residents. Papakita ko na lang mamaya kung magkano yung fee sa mga foreigners, mga locals. Alright, so this is the Palumpon Tourism Office. And I think sa taas is a tourist inn. Ayun, may sign. So this is how the tourism office looks like inside. May waiting area. And then may mga bilihan ng beverages. Ultimately, there were only 6 of us who boarded that boat. 4,500 yung boat fare, round trip na yan. Divided by 6 persons, that's 750 pesos each. 4,500 yung boat namin. Good for 20 persons. Kaso anim lang kami, so i-divide namin yung 4,500. So ito yung boat na sasakyan namin. Ang spacious niya guys.
Una sa tanan, may buntag yung tanan, ma'am and sir. Usa ta mo adto Kalanggaman Island, mag-orientag ka dali sa atong ipambawal ngadto sa island ug ngayon sa natong buhaton sa island. Prohibited in the island purchase of soap, shampoo, conditioner, loud instrument, fishing gear, bawal. Portable generators, making bonfire, bringing pets of used styrofoam, bawal. Breakable bottle must be returned to the mainland. No smoking in public places. Please smoke at the designated area only.
Shortly after a short orientation by the LGU, nakaalis agad kami from mainland Palumpon and it was a beautiful day. At dahil 6 lang kami, parang it felt na exclusive yung tour namin. Sobrang gutom na kami guys kasi ang aga naming gumising, so we prepared a sandwich and that was our breakfast for the day. Nagtanong ako sa kanilang tourism office and the earliest time you can depart from mainland Palumpon is at 6 a.m. So mas okay talaga pag agahan nyo para mas maaga kayo makarating sa isla. Take note nyo lang na yung 4,500 na boat namin is just one of the options. Ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung ibang rates ng boats. As I stepped foot onto the pristine shores of Kalanggaman Island, I couldn't help but feel an overwhelming sense of joy. Napakatahimik pa ng isla because we arrived at around 7:30 in the morning. Everything was calm, everything was peaceful. It's like stepping into a place where you can leave all your worries behind. It's a beautiful day here in Kalanggaman. Grabe guys, it's a Wednesday and wala masyadong tao ngayon. Sinadya talaga namin na Wednesday na weekday in general para hindi crowded. Sabi ng isa sa mga tourism staff kanina na medyo crowded talaga yung island pag weekend. But if you come here on a weekday, ayun, konti lang mga turista. Puntahan natin yung friends natin kasi nag-grill sila ng chicken and pork for our lunch. Ito yung opposite side dito sa island. Yung kabilang side is sandy, so usually nandun yung mga tourists na liligo, nagkakayak, while on this side medyo mabato. Ideally daw, pwede kayong mag-snorkel dito. This is their common grilling area. Kung mag-grill kayo guys, make sure magdala kayo ng uling, lighter, ayun, mga essentials sa pang-grill. And then on this side naman, CR, bathroom. May tubig naman. Siyempre konti lang tao eh. You see? It's very clean. And right across the grilling station, may sila, sari-sari store. Meron ding mga snorkeling gears for rent. This is the opposite side of the island. Dito yung area para mag-swimming. Ito yung mga cottages guys. Ilalagay ko na lang yung rates dito sa video. And here's the iconic Kalanggaman sign. And here's the beach. Sobrang ganda. Ito yung mga cottages around the island. Diba? Sobrang linis guys. Tingnan nyo, walang basura. And all tourists are encouraged to segregate their own trash. Dadalhin nyo yung basura nyo pabalik sa mainland. Ganda. Napakalinis. The advantage of coming here to Kalanggaman Island on a weekday, as you can see, halos walang turista guys. So konti lang kami. So yung grupo namin, 4 kami, and then may couple, and then I saw one cottage dito. Mga 3 cottages lang yung occupied. So that's the advantage. Hindi touristy. The problem, or I must say yung disadvantage is medyo mas mas mahal. If you come here, you should bring your friends. Siguro mga at least 5 kayo para makatipid kayo. Yung boat is 4,500 and that's a maximum of 20 passengers. Kasi pag 20 passengers kami kanina, so i-divide yung 4-5. Aalis kayo from Palompon mainland at around 6 to 6:30 a.m. and then pick up time mamayang hapon, aalis kami mamaya 2 p.m. The reason kung bakit 2 p.m. yung pick up time kasi medyo maalon daw yung dagat pabalik sa mainland. If you come here on a day tour, you will spend around 6 hours dito sa island. Not bad. Take note nyo lang ulit na bawal gumamit ng soap and shampoo dito sa island. So, if mag-wash kayo, gumamit na kayo ng running water and then doon na kayo mag-shampoo and maligo sa mainland. Tingnan nyo guys, it's very pristine. As in, well-maintained talagang isla. The sandbar is over there. Ayun. Wala pang nililigo. Solong-solo namin. I must say na good job sa LGU ng Palompon, Leyte, and to all the people behind the maintenance of this island. Kasi ang linis talaga, and I'm really happy na wala talagang dito, mga malalaking structures, unlike sa mga sikat na beaches natin dito sa Philippines like Boracay, Panglao, na it's filled with bars and restaurants along the coast. Pero dito, as in, I can still say na very parang virgin pa yung Kalanggaman Island kasi wala pang development dito. And personally, I hope it will stay this way in the many years to come na nature lang, mga native cottages, walang mga buildings, 'di ba? Mas okay pag ganito. So that's our cottage over there. 'Di ba? We are fronting the sandbar. Ang ganda ng location namin. take a look at this, guys. Very postcard perfect. Ang ganda, grabe. Yung buhangin dito sa Kalanggaman is not as fine as Boracay. Syempre, Boracay holds the crown. Ito yung sand dito. Pino naman siya. Dito sa nandito tayo sa sa gitna ng island. Pero mamaya, check natin doon sa dagat mamaya. So yung sand in this area, dito talaga sa beach area, parang ganun pa din. Siguro mas pino ng konti. Mas fine siya. Napakalinis. Kunwari, kung i-rent nyo yung cottage na ito, kasama na yung tables and chairs, then may seating area din dito. Tingnan nyo guys yung access nyo sa dagat, sa beach. Ganda. Look at that blue water. Luto na daw guys yung pork namin. Si Chef Jonathan. Ito yung cottage namin guys. Mga 350 or 360 pesos. And take a look at this beautiful sandbar. Ang isla ng Kalanggaman ay isa sa mga top island destinations in the Philippines for its crystal clear waters, which are perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and diving. The island's most distinctive feature is its long white sandbar that stretches out into the sea. Kaya naman, ang islang ito is considered to be one of the best sandbars in the Philippines. The local government and tourism authorities are working to protect and conserve Kalanggaman Island's natural resources and ecosystem. Okay, pag-usapan natin kung paano mag-DIY dito sa isla. First things first, kung first time niyo mag-Kalanggaman, mag-overnight na kayo sa Palumpon Town. Marami namang affordable hotels and hostels dito. Search nyo na lang sa Agoda. Bakit mag-overnight? Kasi the recommended departure time from the jump-off point is between 6 and 7 a.m. kung magde-day tour kayo. Pwede namang agahan nyo na lang pumunta sa Palumpon. Pero honestly, nakakapagod siya. Kaya ideally, mag-overnight na kayo sa Palumpon. These are the current rates and applicable fees at Kalanggaman Island as of this posting. Screenshot yun na lang for future reference. Walang advance reservation ang DIY tour sa Kalanggaman. That's why agahan nyo sa tourism office so that you can register in advance. Kung pupunta kayo ng weekends, definitely mas maraming turista at hahati-hatiin nyo na lang yung boat fee. Okay, nagbayad na kayo ng boat fee at entrance fee. Huwag niyong kalimutan magbaon ng tubig at pagkain. Unfortunately, wala pang mga bukas na mga kainan at the town sa madaling araw. Kaya yung gawin nyo, bumili na kayo the day before your tour at isecure nyo na yung breakfast, snacks at lunch sa isla. If you plan to grill meat in the island, you can buy pork or chicken sa market nila at 5 a.m. At isama mo na lang yung uling kasi wala pong binibentang uling or panggatong sa isla. Buy all the essentials sa mainland. Although may maliit na sari-sari store sa isla, but it's really expensive guys. Yung 1.5 liter na Coke is 150 pesos. Limited din yung stocks nila, so ilista nyo na lang yung mga kailangan nyo for the island. Take note nyo ulit na bawal gumamit ng shampoo at bath soap. You can take a rinse though sa isla, but you can only take a full bath back in the mainland. If you work online, wala pong kuryente sa mga cottages sa island. Although I haven't experienced staying overnight, basta wala pong outlets yung cottages. Bawal ang loud music like karaoke. May LTE naman on all major networks, so you will have no connectivity issues. When you swim at the sandbar, make sure to stay in a safe place. Medyo malalakas po yung currents, especially sa hapon. Everyone is prohibited to swim sa dulo ng sandbar kasi malalakas po ang alon doon. Napakainit guys. Alam niyo yung sand dito pala sa may sandbar, it's very fine. Tingnan niyo, di ba? Parang Boracay na siya. Pinong-pino yung sand. At the moment, medyo dumadami na yung mga turista. Pero kukunti lang talaga yung mga yung mga groups. Mga lang, maximum of 10 people per group, per cottage. At least masaya. Grabe, napakainit. But I'm very grateful na maaraw ngayon. Kesa naman maulan. Bumili tayo ng pinipig for hindi pala to pinipig, basta ice drop. 50 pesos. You should know na pag pupunta kayo dito sa island, wala silang ice for sale. Wala silang mga ice cubes, ganun. Mga yung nakapack na ice sa plastic, wala silang ganun, guys. So ideally, pwede naman kayong bumili doon sa mainland. Yung problema lang, isang oras yung travel time. So kung magdadala kayo ng ice, lagay nyo na lang sa ang tawag dyan, cooler. Bilis matunaw. So in this area, parang changing area. Kasi walang shower. Malinis Very good. And then, itong building na medyo malaki is bathroom, toilet. Tapos may tubig dito. Alright, so we're gonna walk towards the other side of the island. Grabe, tirik na tirik yung araw, guys. It's a hot summer day. Today is April 2. Well, definitely the coming weekend, mas maraming tao dito. This scene looks very idyllic. Ang ganda. Tingnan nyo, guys, ang ganda. Ang daming palm trees. Ganda dito kasi shaded. Hindi masyadong mainit. Tingnan nyo, guys, napakalinis talaga. Well maintained yung Kalanggaman. In all fairness talaga sa LGU dito. And tourism. Ang linis niya. In this particular side or area of the island is filled with different vegetation. Diba? Mas lush dito. Ganda dito. Very tropical. May mga dito, mga tents. Hindi naman tent, parang huts. Parang sira na, guys. Nasira ata sa bagyo. Malapit na tayo sa kabilang dulo ng isla. This is the other side of the island. Malinis pa rin dito. Nandito na tayo sa dulo ng isla. Siguro mga lang 10 to 15 minute walk. We just spent the rest of the morning strolling around the island kasi ang liit lang niya talaga. You can reach both ends of the island in just a short 15 to 20 minute walk. At syempre, hindi naman pwedeng pumunta kayo ng isla na walang swimming. Kung gaano kainit yung climate, dipping in the water was really refreshing kasi malamig yung tubig. Yun nga lang, hindi na kami nag-water activities, guys. Kasi yung sadya talaga namin dito is to chill and relax. Maraming salamat po for joining me on this Kalanggaman Island adventure. If you're ready to escape to a tropical paradise, start planning your trip to Kalanggaman Island today. I hope na ang episode na ito has inspired you to plan your own island adventure. I hope ang episode na ito has inspired you to plan your own island adventure. Yeah, it's not cheap to get here, but trust me, you won't regret it.